now that all the certificates have been issued on our vEdges, we are going ahead and register our vEdges on the vManage. So the process is very easy. We're just going to take a notepad and we're going to delete it, and we're going to do show certificate serial. Just need from the chassis number to the serial number, and what we need to do, we're going to separate both and then we can save this file as vEdges.csv. We can override, and then we will go to devices. As we can see, we do not have any vEdge. And before doing that, let me explain why we're doing this manually. Basically, starting from version 17.1, you need to have a smart account with Cisco in order to upload the WAN Edge List, and for that you need to go to the official site of Cisco, the software site. It's the plug and play site. You need to have an account, a smart account, to download the softwares, and then you will have the access to create and download the serial file. And basically that's a requirement. But if you want to set up your SD-WAN lab without having a smart account, you need to start with version 16.3.21 on your controllers, or any 16 version. So those versions, any version 16 will give you the capability of uploading your WAN Edge List manually, as I'm going to do it. And if you can notice, on the vEdges I'm using version 17, so it's kind of the opposite, because on the vEdges you cannot request the install of the certificate as we did manually. So it's the opposite. That's why we're using 16 on the controllers and 17 on the vEdges. So let's go ahead and upload our WAN Edge List. So the file that we just created, we're going to take it. It's in this file. I will take it, upload. Okay, so that's the first one. Sorry, yeah, so that's the first one. Okay, I don't need this for now. So the second one, show certificate serial, it's gonna be the same. I'm gonna take it, delete this one, and replace. I will go to save. It is saved. Upload. The second one is uploaded, and for the third one, show certificate serial, I'm going to copy this part on the notepad. I will delete. So as you can see, it's really a manual process, but this is what can allow you to build your SD-WAN lab. Show certificate serial, and let me take this. File, save. I can come here to show certificate serial. Now we do the same here. And we just need to make sure that we're taking the proper details. File, save, and then I can upload. And one of the thing, let me explain that on the next one. Show certificate serial. I'm gonna delete this one. So as you can see, oh, I'm not validating the list. I'm just uploading, because at this time we cannot validate. The next step, we need to upgrade the software of the controllers first, and then we're going to be able to validate our WAN Edge list, because if we validate now, then our controllers won't be able to join the control plane. Sorry, our vEdges won't be able to join the control plane. So because on the vEdges we have version 17, so controllers must be upgraded to version 17 first in order for them to sync with the vEdges when we're going to validate the list. Show certificate serial. And this is the last one for the vEdges. I am going to open the CEdges now. Enable show SD-WAN certificate serial. So as you can see, for the difference between the vEdges and the CEdges, for the CEdges we add this SD-WAN between after the show and before the rest of the command. Otherwise it's the same logic. So we need to take this, and as you can also see, let me do it paste the entire line first as it is. Save. Then let me go to vEdge. Let me upload. As you can see, it's giving me this error. Then if I cancel, I come here and then remove the CSR, come and then save. So before doing that, let me show control, show SD-WAN control connections history. As you can see, we do not have any control history. So let me save this again to be sure, and then if I come here, upload, it's going to be uploaded. So that does not mean that this CH is going to be sync with the control plane. Let's see what's going to happen. Show SD-WAN certificate serial. We can take these certificates. We don't need to copy all of it anymore, because we know that the CSR does not work. Then we're going to take this part, save, and then upload. So that's done. We have uploaded our WAN Edge list. I will see you on the next session when we're going to upgrade the software on the controllers. Thank you.